Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your virtual piano teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of this channel. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel, Gianluca Fronda, pianist and composer, if you're interested in original music and covers. Talking about this channel, don't forget to subscribe and let me know about yourself by commenting. Tell me when you have started, if you're finding my channel interesting and you're improving your skills also thanks to my videos. And don't forget also to share with your friends if there is anybody interested in piano music, anybody that you know. So now time to go to our lesson. Today, following the request of one of the subscribers, I'm going to play for you again the piece called Through the Woods. The technical title is on the British book Quavers in 3/4, and on the American one is eighth notes in 3/4. Has been requested a slower performance of this one. In the past I didn't realize that it could be maybe useful for many of you, slower performances of these easy pieces. I was considering them too easy. And then maybe is right, she's right asking me to play it slower. We are, obviously, to clarify, on John Thompson CCS Piano Course Part 2, on page 6, yeah? Okay, so no explanation. I will add the link of the main video where there are all the explanations regarding how to consider this Through the Woods, the start on the third count, and all is needed. I'm going to play it really slow, yeah? 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 1 and 2 and stop. You will get all you need. I repeat on the original video, even the explanation about the reason why we have to end on the second count. It's all explained on the other one. Leaving the link, refer to that one. I hope that I've helped today with this video. If it's the first time that you're landing on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for today and see you in the next video. Bye.